In today's tutorial, we will design a modern poster using rule of thirds. Create new document. I am using A3 size document. Click on View, Guides and New Guide Layout. Keep 3 columns and 3 rows and press OK. Remove the extra corner guide. Now place the image. Place subject in the center column. Right-click on Image Layer and click on Rasterize Layer. Select Rectangular Marquee tool. Make selection of the blank area. Right-click and click on Fill, select Content Aware and press OK. Deselect the selection. Right-click on the layer and click on Convert to Smart Object. Now click on Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Open the effects and increase the texture, clarity, dehaze, decrease the vignette, and increase the grain. Change the curves adjustment. Increase the sharpening, noise reduction and color noise reduction. Create duplicate of the image. Delete the filter. Select any selection tool and click on Select Subject. Now select Quick Selection tool and select the missing part of the subject. Now add layer mask. Select layer and add curves. Now adjust the light and darkness of subject. Right-click and create clipping mask. You can see the subject light before and after adding curves. I'm using the center column to add text and subject. Select the background layer and create new layer. Select eyedropper tool and pick color. I'm picking warm color on the subject. Now select the brush tool and follow the process. Increase brush size around 1500. Wherever you see light effects, click there. Select eyedropper tool and pick light color. Select brush tool and make it small. Keep the light color close to the subject. Now change blend mode normal to linear dodge add. Select eyedropper tool and pick warm color. Select brush tool and decrease brush opacity around 35%. The warm light feels weak, so I'm adding more light here. Create new layer on top. Pick color on the lighter part. Now paint near the lighter part. Change blend mode normal to color dodge. Decrease opacity around 60%. Select horizontal type tool. Now write the headline and place in center. Now write the headline and increase the text size. Increase the text size for better hierarchy. Increase the leading between the line of text. Now select a word and change the color for create a better contrast. Place the text behind the subject. Now place the supporting taglines. Decrease the leading between the line of text. Set the kerning between the latter. Align text in the left. Select rectangle and create 100 by 100 square. Now align the text like this. Now I'm adding the taglines in center and right. I'm writing 2030 for future vibe. Now add the QR code. It is done. You can see the final poster design. I'm using this column to design this poster. You can also use this column to change design balance. In this poster, I am using this row to create balance and shift the focus from the face to the caption. If you learned something from this video, then please like, share, and subscribe.